Yeah, my people, son. Outside, man. That's it. Come on, man. Go up here now. Slide, go up here. There's the break. Go on there. The outside. Yeah, my people, you know, so I'm there back with another video. My uncle up on the farm. Well, I'm not really know if I farm still, cause look what I go on. Yeah, man, we're there. I was check out the farm. From the breeze blow. We know so up on the farm, you see it. Yeah, man, so I want to do. So stay tuned, like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, I hit that post notification bell. So anytime I video them drop, you get notified. The uncle in the background now. Go and make it way. Yeah, man, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, my people, so I go on there. All planting and banana tree there go. Walk on. Breeze broke them from the root. Still I make it way. People all planting there go, watch it. Farm blow down. Alright. Yeah, man, this is one of my uncle farm. So we walk and I look on the farm them. Let's see it. Show no walk go on. Be damage. Melissa go on with. Both house and farm. Yes, I go on, uncle. I go on the farm, go look how I go on.
That's how the thing going now.
Yeah.
I can't do no more. I forgot to go look how I go on and see pray.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, man, the farm. Them blow down, man. Just give thanks to life, see where. But
I drink that one guinea pig, you know.
yeah.
I do road, you know.
Falling can always grow up back. That's it. Huh? Yeah, them are burn up. See people? Yeah, cover up them car. When the sun come out, it burn up them. See what I go on, look on the banana. Burn up his skin. You see it? Yeah, man, we're there, I go and walk. And look what I go on. No, I jelly tree them bro down doing uncle. Yeah, my people just go and stay tuned. I watch what I go on. Uncle. Yeah, man, Melissa deal with the farm, them wicked, man. You know, see we up to your farm. Huh? All the place smashed down, man. Everything there ground. Everything asleep. I've lost give thanks to you still. Yeah, no what? I thought back? Yeah, I thought back, okay. Uncle say I thought back, I know we see farm. Farm them mash up. Jelly mustard ground and jelly tree. Huh? Few of them. 1, 2.
Road block. What vehicle you have over
I wish we could play this. Straight cross route, I see I get the road there for go cross.
I'll find that one go to the look up and come back.
Somebody over there, chap. Like a short boss.
Already.
Watch over the water boat out. Uncle Vin? People, Uncle don't want to reach go over and fall into the cars. Everything.
What do you mean go man?
I go over there.
No, passion there go man.
Yeah.
No.
Why
What do you mean go me
every farm afraid to touch them farm.
Nice planting turn out there.
Yeah.
Down.
I go on there. Stand strong.
One piece of gun pop up.
I'm gone.
Yeah man.
I was probably gone. Ground? Watch it as there. Camera rolling. Yeah, go on by there, so. Left couple standing. You go on body in there. Can't look weird down so. They mash up people.
You pass some big tree.
The driver that?
You pass around it.
Go on, go on.
Yeah,
What's that? This one? Yeah, you have to brace it.
So me do them all okay, that's Alright. You there, man? Terrible funny dog, yeah.
So we have to do that now.
This is nice if I look young people.
Yeah. That's a phone second.
Go good, yeah. The side I'm going to put it back. You go.
Yeah, my people, I go and clean up. Some look a young one with that one. See if they can catch back. Some of them they soon start shoot. They eat like that one. You see? Big. But next month this is a shoot. See my thing them there. You know? Jelly for days. Yeah. Just go and see if we can clean up some of them. Alright. And broke them too rotted. Yeah, the young one broke. There's nothing. This can't stop one. Yeah, man. Look at it. Look at it. I move through, you know. Take a look at time. See if we can find some jelly to cool on the system. My uncle there. You know. I know I'm not touch from daddy farm. Flat. I go across. The people see how we are doing it. I have to cover them because they still go get big, you know. So it's small. Still I get big because it not broke off, so we'll just cover them. If the sun not burn them up. See, pray. Huh? Yeah. Doom plum tree.
So I go and come back in this one.
Down so?
Now I go up on the little piece already.
Oh.
And then come back in this, you know?
One tree standing. We have one plant. How you over there, sir?
A tree saving. Sure.
Yeah, well, there I go and give thanks, you know?
Right.
You see it?
The greatest.
Right. Man, stay tuned and watch what I go and we drink 2 jelly when they're done. You see it, pray. Yeah, man. People, boy, sun hot. See how far storm. See the sun come out hot. Give thanks, see me. Go and do the right thing. Plant them, a young piece. It's where I go and focus on. Yeah. So we have to do them. Cut them. Might eventually grow back when you cut them, so. Camera rolling out by yourself.
Some of that I feel you give me no car. They say it's simple when you wet. You know? So that's how the thing go.
One pitch over. No camera need a roll, man. One pitch over, yeah, man. So, jelly up here, so. Watch your plant, yeah. Can't carry over. People, watch her. Jelly for days.
I'm glad the dog don't grab me, you know.
Yeah,
man.
Camera should not roll, man. They want picture go here, man.
Yeah.
And him.
Yeah.
I for mash up people.
Yeah, on the farm, spoil up. Spoil up, and the high grade jelly tree, gone.
You got that gone ground, man.
Yeah, man. Gone, gone. And cook a more than one jelly tree, gone.
Yeah. People look where I go and take a good look through the farm. Mm.
Spoil up.
And jelly tree are still standing. See if I can pick one off of that one. Yo! Why people? What's full in there? Watch it. I'm gonna see what. Viewers. See them? Why people? I have to run from the tree. I have to just take up one for the drop off. Viewers. Viewers in the tree, people. This come like coconut. This don't look good. Why, I have to go look. I have to go look under that tree. Probably I have to go pick off of this. The big tree drop down, uncle. I have to go. Yeah, I have to look on next tree. Yeah, man, to get no wasp bite out here now. Yeah? One thing coconut of people. Okay. Me upon. See it there? Root up, all of them root up. Most of them. Yeah. Deal with the bad man. But have to just give thanks. House, everything you deal with bad. And the wickedest thing too. Out of my house. You know what I say? You have 4 rooms on the house. And you have 4 rooms on the house. And you know so the zinc them fly off of my room alone. Yeah? And I want if I salt, but the zinc they fly off of my room alone. And the other room then good. But fix back on everything still, so but they are going to do the right thing. Like farm. That's it. Yeah man. Just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on.
So deep, man. I like style of it. I like style of it.
Yeah, people, lifestyle, man, is it? Outside. Yeah, man. Go and watch out, man. Yeah, my people. So, what we are going to do now? We are going to take up some plum and then we head home. You see it. Yeah man, we there go and look on the farm. And I go on easy place. Deal with bad. Bad. You see it. Place no normal man. Jelly tree out there ground. Be a plant now sitting. We just have to give thanks for it. Stay up, jump plum tree, couple jelly tree upside there. Yeah man, but plant now banana tree them. That ground. Can look straight tree farm. That's it. Yeah man, so just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Pick up some jump plum. The way I do. Come out there. I want to pick some pepper. You see how them they pretty? Yes, a shooter.
I tell you now. Pepper, you see it?
Yeah.
That's how you think there, you know, man. Boy, I tell you. Give thanks to life.
Yeah.
Could have worse.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't lie.
Yeah, man. We're back on my feet again by the help of the Almighty.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Rastafari. I all balled. Yeah man, the people see what I go on there. Pepper them nice. See tree them. Who remember that jelly tree I always a pick off? That ground. Why I told me I love that jelly tree, but I want somebody help me lift it up. And then catch it with all piece of stickers. Come on my people. Whole place. That ground. All I tree them. I have to just give thanks to the before we stand up. Because they might come back wicked. Yeah man. Go and stay tuned, we will pick up the plum them now. And I do them.
In our video?
Yeah. I'm active man.
Yeah, go take off.
Take off it?
Sweet, fuck.
Too much meat early for water, so.
Yeah. Nah, that's how water in the file there.
That's why you have to pick up the pumpkin. Okay. Yeah man, that's how we have to do it man, like lifestyle man, is it?
Ja.
Wow, I'm gone though.
Gone. Most of the beer in jelly tree them dog.
They mix them one from the side.
Yeah. So this we don't put no jelly on this. So they have on jelly still.
Nothing of the fun. I will give thanks to you. I'm going to come here so I can't see you up there. So. No. I'm look so now, I can't. That's something I have to say. But we can't stay so now. I see how we over so. That's all.
Like a mock you mock me, you know.
Nah, mock you.
You know dog a mock me, you know, but a jar works, you see pray. Yeah man. Active, I'll go and go to Ghana and go to there. See that? Chop off. You Guinea and now go through them, it's
Gone.
But you give thanks if you don't come through them.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go through them active.
So that. Take a picture. Yeah, my people, we are going to do the right thing, is it? And not easy. Awesome. No, sorry, man. Yeah, I'll put them in your bag. Now this. Pepper.
Now this.
And
then we put them in the bag.
Pepper, they look nice, man.
Then go out now, that's going to be there easy. Right now, you know, no vibes to do that now.
Is it? No vibes.
No, sir. If we make the vibes and come active up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you go, man.
Can't walk down on that side of bum.
Ah!
That's what chop out your throat. Look up on the guango.
Gone,
Yes,
man.
Tear up some night.
Man. Standing tree. Cha people, be a jump plum dog. Jump plum for days. Jelly for days. One. Uncle, when this water you clean me live in there, you know? Yeah. Daddy, where you say go on? I know farm name again. Grung. Yeah.
Where is Mr. Miller? Are you away, Fila? Bumbo clat, you live off a board, Villa? Blood clat! You and I was the best of friends, and that this journey will never end.
Yeah. Go and take up some plum. Full of ground.
Come in,
Go on,
Mr. Miller.
Where's a shooter? I pick up some plum. Beef up them. Yeah, my people, we done. Take up the plum them now. So I go on there. Everything there now, pumpkin, plum. Yeah man, so. Yeah, I do man now. Let's eat. The river go on over. See the river go on over this way. Mash up the whole of the farm. See there? Yeah, I do man now man. Eh? You say people have vlog. Eh?
Alright, make it stay there.
No man, tell the people what them do man.
Just follow the video.
Yeah man, I like.
And like.
Yeah.
You know?
Subscribe and something.
You see me?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know, me name can't tell up the girl I'm sugar low.
Yeah.
You see,
Alright sir.
yeah.
Yeah, my people, just go and like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, hit that post notification bell. So anytime the video them drop, you'll get notified. Yeah man, so until then, I'm out.